So guys, today I'm going to share with you 3 best websites that you can apply and they're paying well. So the requirements that you need to have a proxy, a laptop, a resume, a number, and a good Wi-Fi connection. And please do join our Telegram community where I do share the links for the jobs. And if you're a beginner, complete beginner, and you want to learn these things from scratch, check out our Skillverse Academy and learn more. So guys, the first job opportunity that is available is this one for the Olympiad medalist. They're paying anywhere between $35 to $65 per hour, and you can check out their requirements, what they need. So you can see that you should have a strong Olympiad background in one of the following fields: mathematics, computer science, physics, chemistry, biology, excellent English skills, good LaTeX proficiency. And about the role, you can see that solving Olympiad and or advanced problems to generate high quality training data, reviewing and evaluating solutions created by others, ranking models. You can see those are the roles that about your role if you get selected. And then additional information, you can see that these are remote roles with flexible hours, ideal for students, recent graduates, or researchers with Olympiad backgrounds. So you can see that if this one is fully remote, you can as well apply on this opportunity. The second job opportunity is this one, 3D artist. They're paying anywhere between $24 to $60 per hour. And the responsibilities for this job is review 3D assets using your artistic eye and knowledge of core 3D techniques, ensure accuracy and consistency in annotation to meet project standards. So those are the responsibilities. The requirements: you need to have educational and work experience with one of the following: bachelor's, master of fine arts, or master of science degree in game art. So make sure whenever you're creating your resume, make sure you have these requirements on your resume, okay? And 5 years of work experience, either as an employee or freelancer. So if you are working as a freelancer or as an employee, so long as you have 5 years of work experience. And other requirements are here. So you need to make sure whenever you are applying or you want to apply, when creating the resume, make sure the requirements and what they need it's on your resume, okay? So the third website, so here's the last opportunity. You can see this one is an advanced expert sort for AI training. So you remember when I told you that as long as if you're from any of these locations, it's okay. But if you're not from any of these locations, make sure to get a proxy. Now you remember I told you need to have a proxy. Now the proxy will play a big role whenever you're applying on this job. So now this one, the requirements: education, at least have one of these. If it's a bachelor degree or a master degree or PhD, it's okay, so long as it's for biology. And then research experience, strong preference for candidates, English proficiency, and bonus skills. AI model training experience is not required but helpful, okay? And then this job, they pay $30 to $50 per hour. So and you need to have a PayPal, or you need to have a PayPal. For the other job websites, they paying through Stripe, so at least you need to have one of those. But for this one, what to expect is fill your application, create an account, verify phone number, and then after that you'll verify your identity and phone number. So if you get stuck at this point, you can as well reach out to me, pass a skill assessment or interview, start working and earning. So it's just simple as that, but not that simple, right? So if you find this video helpful, you can as well join the Telegram community so that you don't miss out on any links that I share for jobs. And then try your best, try your luck, and then see you next time.